When it comes to enhancing your home's energy efficiency, windows and insulation often take the spotlight. However, one of the most overlooked elements of energy efficiency is your doors. Whether you're upgrading old, drafty doors or simply looking to make your home more sustainable, upgrading your doors can bring a multitude of benefits, from saving money on energy bills to improving comfort and security. Let's explore the key advantages of upgrading your doors for energy efficiency. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits of upgrading your doors is the potential to significantly reduce your energy bills. Older doors, especially those made of less energy-efficient materials, tend to let air leak in or out, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. These drafts may be hard to notice, but they can lead to substantial heat loss in the winter and cool air loss in the summer. By installing energy-efficient doors, you can create a better seal between the inside and outside of your home. Modern doors are designed with better insulation properties, and some feature double or triple glazing in glass panels to minimize heat transfer. These upgrades can prevent drafts, regulate temperature more effectively, and reduce the amount of energy your heating and cooling systems use, ultimately lowering your monthly energy expenses. Increased comfort year-round. Upgrading your doors doesn't just save you money, it can improve the comfort of your home all year long. Poorly insulated doors can lead to temperature imbalances, making certain rooms feel too hot or too cold. This can be particularly uncomfortable during extreme weather conditions, whether it's a freezing winter night or a scorching summer day. Energy-efficient doors are designed to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. With better insulation, they help keep the cold air out in the winter and the hot air at bay in the summer, ensuring that your home stays comfortable regardless of the season. This added comfort can make your home a more pleasant place to live and even help to extend the life of your HVAC system by reducing the need for frequent heating and cooling. Enhanced security. While energy efficiency is the primary focus, upgrading your doors can also provide enhanced security for your home. Modern doors are often built with more advanced locking mechanisms, sturdier materials, and reinforced frames, making it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. Some energy-efficient doors are made from materials like fiberglass, which are both durable and secure, offering better protection against break-ins. Additionally, energy-efficient doors are typically better sealed, reducing the likelihood of gaps where someone might attempt to break in. When you upgrade your doors, you're not only improving energy efficiency but also boosting the safety and security of your home. Noise reduction. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street, noise pollution can significantly impact your quality of life. Energy-efficient doors can also help reduce the amount of outdoor noise that enters your home. Many modern doors, especially those with double or triple glazing, provide a solid barrier against unwanted sound. The thicker, insulated construction of these doors absorbs sound waves and prevents them from passing through. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This benefit is particularly valuable if you work from home, have young children, or simply value a serene living space. Environmental benefits. Upgrading your doors for energy efficiency is not only beneficial for your wallet but also for the environment. Energy-efficient doors are typically made with sustainable materials and contribute to reducing your carbon footprint. By decreasing your energy consumption, you are using less energy from non-renewable sources, which helps to lower greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the overall demand on power grids. Additionally, many energy-efficient doors are designed with recyclable materials, making them a more environmentally friendly option than their traditional counterparts. Making the switch to energy-efficient doors is a small but impactful way to contribute to sustainability and protect the planet. Increase home value. Upgrading your doors can also increase the value of your home. Energy-efficient features are increasingly in demand among homebuyers who are looking for ways to save on utility bills and reduce their environmental impact. A home with well-insulated, high-quality doors is seen as a modern, efficient, and well-maintained property, which can make it more appealing in a competitive real estate market. Even if you're not planning to sell your home anytime soon, the added value of energy-efficient upgrades is an investment that can pay off in the long run. Conclusion. Upgrading your doors for energy efficiency offers a wide range of benefits that go beyond just lowering your energy bills. From increased comfort and enhanced security to noise reduction and environmental sustainability, the advantages are clear. Whether you're looking to make your home more eco-friendly, secure, or simply more comfortable, energy-efficient doors can provide the solution. By investing in high-quality, energy-efficient doors, you're not just improving your home's performance, you're also contributing to a more sustainable and comfortable future for yourself and the planet.